Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a direct deposit on Chime without a job. First things first, jump into your Chime app. Right there at the bottom, hit the Move Money icon. You'll see a bunch of options, but we are looking for direct deposit. So from there, select direct deposit. Here you'll find your Chime routing number and account number. These two numbers are essential, so take a second to copy them correctly. Now, here's the trick for those without a traditional job. You can use these details to receive government benefits like Social Security, SSI, or unemployment. Just go to the official agency website and enter your Chime info there. If you don't receive benefits, you can still use direct deposit with gig economic apps like Uber, DoorDash, or freelance platforms. Any service that supports ACH transfer can be linked to your Chime account using the routing number and account number. Once you've submitted your info, it usually takes 1 or 2 payment cycles to activate. As soon as Chime receives your first qualifying deposit, your account will be fully set up. And that's it.